Hello, good day viewers. Still on cycle theorem. In this tutorial, we would like to prove that angles subtended from the same arc to the circumference are all equal. This won't take us much time to prove. Let's get started. Suppose we have a cycle right here, and let's assume we have an arc AB. Remember, an arc is just a portion of the circumference. Suppose we have A here and we have B here. So if you subtend an angle to the circumference, something like this, no matter how many angles you subtended to the circumference from the same arc will be the same. So we could have another one here from the same arc. So if this is theta, this must also be equal to theta. No matter how many they are, let's form another one here to the circumference, this will also be equal to theta. And how can we prove it? All right, let me just use the first two angles. Let me call this C and D. I want you to recall that angle subtended to the center is twice the angle subtended to the circumference from the same arc. That's exactly what we have proved yesterday. You can watch the previous lesson. So suppose we have a center right here. We can form an angle from the same arc AB to the center. Something like this. Something like this. Remember that we have proven this theorem yesterday that this angle right here is always twice that angle subtended to the circumference from the same arc. And you can see that all of these three angles are formed from the same arc. So if this is theta, this must be 2 theta. The same thing is applicable to this one because you can see that AB subtends this angle. The same AB subtends this one. Likewise, this angle to the center. And according to that theorem, it stated that angle subtended to the center is twice the angle subtended to the circumference from the same arc, which implies that this angle must be equal to this one. Very simple proof. So let me just write it here. All right, angle subtended to the center is twice the angle subtended to the circumference. If you want to see this proof, you can watch my previous lesson, and hence angle ACB must be equal to angle ADB. And hence the proof. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.